Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to exchange currency on Questrade. I'm going to go from US dollars to Canadian dollars, but it's the same process. Check out the link in my description and in the comments. It's going to be Interactive Brokers because Questrade doesn't pay me anything, so I'm promoting Interactive Brokers. And because I switched my entire portfolio, except these $500, from Questrade to Interactive Brokers, mainly because of the better service I was getting and the lower fees, even though Questrade reduced their fees a little bit. So right when you log in, Questrade has a bit of an identity crisis. They're trying to upgrade their platform and their systems. And you can see it reverts to the old way of doing things. And I'll kind of show you why just in a sec. So I'm going to hide a few things. Right now, if we go into, right when you log in, you can either go into the trading in Edge or you can just go to this login screen. So when you click Edge, it opens up the older version of the older platform. And now you'll see that I have minus $900 CAD. I didn't know I had that. And I have 600 US. And then my net is like -5, so I am being charged interest on this. So when you want to exchange money or exchange currency, there's two ways you could do it. You could either do it from here, move money, but if you do that, it'll reopen this screen, or you can click move money here. So when you click, you'll go exchange. And when you click exchange, it'll revert back. So it changes the screen back to the old way of doing things. They haven't upgraded everything. So you have to select the account that you want. So I'm going to hide my account number, obviously. So this is my margin account. And you can decide what you want to do. I want to exchange USD to CAD because I have 600 US and I'm minus in CAD. So then I'm going to specify the amount of CAD I want to buy or the amount of USD I want to sell. So just check it out. I have 671 US. I'm going to exchange that entire amount. So I will specify the amount of USD I want to sell. Now I'm filming this on a Sunday, so it won't get filled today. I'm going to record the ending result tomorrow to show you how much it was exchanged for and the whole processing time. So if you submit before 2:30 p.m., it'll be processed the same day. So considering this will be submitted by before the 9 a.m. tomorrow, it should be ready the same day. I'm specifying the amount I want to sell. You can specify the amount to buy, but I'm not going to do that. I'll click submit. It has me confirm the order. When you confirm, we're processing your exchange. Click OK. And then here you could see your request. You can cancel the request if you want. You'll see the status. I'll film this again tomorrow to show you the status. It's a pretty simple process. Okay, we're back over a day later. I'm going to show you the results. It doesn't give you any notification that it was done. But when you go into if you go into move money, it doesn't show your history here. But if you go into reports, and then transaction history, you'll see the conversion. So I moved $670 and it did it actually near the end of the day. So I'll show you if I go into the Edge, you'll see I did $670. I got slightly worse conversion. So I think I lost about $9 there, which is not the best, but nothing I could do. So I need to deposit around $30. I'm going to show you when it was executed. And the only way I know how to do this is to submit another trade. So if I just do something like this, if I submit, now you see here, so I submitted this on the 17th when it was a Sunday. So I thought it would be done during the middle of the day. And I came back and it was done at the end of the day at 5:46 p.m. So I did this on Sunday at like 7 p.m. And then on Monday at the end of the day, after the market was closed, the transaction was executed, it was processed. So I came back and tried to do it again because I was wondering what was happening. So that's how you exchange funds. Let me know if you have any questions and tune into the next one.